Hey everyone, welcome to the Wellier channel. Today I'll show you how to add Roblox to Steam. Open Steam and click the Add a Game button. Click Add a non-Steam game and type Roblox in the field. There you go, you can choose either the studio or the player. To select the player, it needs to be downloaded from the Roblox website, not the Microsoft Store. Here it is. To do this, go to your browser and type Roblox. Pick any game. Click the play button, then click cancel. This will download and open the installer. There you go. After installation, close it. It opened automatically for me, and now we need to find where it's located. To do that, search for Roblox. Find Roblox player and click Open File Location. Right-click and select Open File Location, then copy the path. Back in Steam, click Browse, paste the path, select Roblox, and click Add Selected Programs. There you go. And just like that, Roblox has been added and you're ready to play. This was Wellier. See you later.